About it. Wow. Yeah? Oh, kind of frustrated now. You were just telling me all about your day. You were just telling me all about everything. Tell me more. Oh, yeah. Oh? Did you sleep good last night? You feel all good after you slept so long? Oh, bless you. Bless you. Oh. How's that hand taste? Pretty good? Yeah? Oh. Okay. What else? Oh. Wow, you sound pretty frustrated. You were so smiley and telling me everything before I got the camera. Oh. Hmm? That funny little face. There's a smiley boy. Tell me about it. Oh, what's the eyebrows? You're just not sure about the camera? Yeah, you're not sure? Okay. You want to say anything else? I love when you do that with your lips. You want to say anything else? You all done? Okay. Jake out.